Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, make sure to subscribe and turn the bell on so you never miss a future upload. And if you want to see how I got this look right here, then just keep watching. So for today's video, I wanted to do the challenge where I have to use every eyeshadow in a palette. And I saw Alyssa Ashley do this first, and I thought it was such a cool idea. So I thought, why not do it with my NYX Love You So Mochi palette? And I thought it would be a cool idea to do a look with just bright colors only. So I'm first taking this yellow shade in my crease, and I also mixed it with Fix Plus just so it goes on more pigmented.
It's all forgiven to my eyes.
Then I'm taking this light blue shade and I'm blending this mainly on my outer lid and into halfway of my crease. And then I'm also blending this brighter blue shade into it as well. Then I'm just taking the pastel pink shade and I'm placing it right next to it. Then I'm taking the bright coral shade and blending it right next to that as well. Then I'm going in with the pastel coral shade for my lower lash line. Then I'm taking the gray shade and blending it on the inner part of my lower lash line. And then towards my inner lid, I'm going in with the hot pink shade. Then I went back in with the pastel blue shade on my lower lash line, and I took this light pink shade and I put it on my inner lid. Then to highlight my brow bone and inner corner, I went in with this icy blue. Then I just went in with mascara and some false lashes.
Can never feel so much, don't wanna leave us in between.
For bronzer, I used Park Avenue Princess from Tarte, and then for blush, I used Glisten from Tarte as well. Then to highlight, I'm going in with the Love You So Mochi palette, and I'm using the icy blue shade. For my lips, I used the Jouer Funfetti Lip Topper. And then to set everything, I just used my MAC Fix Plus.